In Canada, flying in the winter is different compared to other seasons, and we need to take into consideration of how cold it can become. In addition to the good judgment that's always required for any type of flying, winter requires more preparation to adjust for that cold weather and in caring for your airplane.
The key with flying in winter is to be prepared for the unexpected, and that includes filing a flight plan even for short trips. En route, monitor the progress of weather conditions ahead with updates on the forecast. Request pilot reports or PIREPs, and also file them yourself if you encounter weather that was not in the forecast. And when the unexpected happens, like worsening visibility or deteriorating weather, take immediate action to get out of the trouble. That action should be part of a backup plan that can include turning around, flying towards good weather, or diverting to an alternate airport. Maintain a safe level of fuel in reserve to cover any changes in plans, and don't get caught short. Keep track of your current position and distance to your nearest alternate along the way. Winter also means taking care of your airplane. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for winterizing your aircraft. Keep the fuel tanks topped up to reduce condensation. In cold temperatures, keep the battery charged or removed if parked outside. Make sure your emergency locator transmitter, or ELT, is operational, because if you need it, you'll want it to function properly. Have an emergency kit on board and be dressed for the weather to make any unscheduled stops more comfortable. And before starting, preheat your engine and make sure that all pressures and temperatures are in the green before flying.
When it comes to flying in winter, a pilot should always be weather-wise, because being prepared will make each flight the way you always want it, uneventful.